Okay, so I'm going to show how to disassemble an HP laptop model 15-DB0031NR. So first what you want to do is remove all the screws from the bottom. So underneath the rubber feet, you'll have to pry it up. Use like a small flathead or a needle. Get under and then you can just peel it. There's 4 in the top. One here that's holding the CD drive. Then you got 2 here, and then you got 3 more underneath the bottom strip, and 1 right here. So once you remove all those screws, pull the CD drive out, just like that. Okay, so you can see there's no screws under there. Once you get that, flip it over. Alright, open the screen up. Well, actually, you don't need to open the screen, but what you want to do is get a pry tool or your fingernails, and along the frame here, just pull the plastic outwards, just like that. Okay, just go along the edges. It's hard to do this with one hand, but I'll do what I can. Alright, just go along the whole thing. On the bottom where the CD drive is, you can see that the plastic actually hooks that way, so you want to pull the silver part upwards to unlatch it. But just go all the way around first. Alright. Just like that. Okay. Alright, once you get that, the back pieces are a little tough, so you kind of want to work it. You can kind of pull kind of hard, don't be too scared. There's screws to hold it in place, so if the latches do happen to break, it's not that big of a deal. Just make sure they're not rolling around inside. So just kind of pull on it. Okay. Let's see here. It's tough to do this with one hand. Oh, there we go. And then once you get that, you can kind of wobble it around. Let's see here. These relatch themselves somehow. Okay. So once you get that, you can kind of just wobble it. Alright, just like that. And this will come out like that. Okay, you can set that aside, just in case you want to see inside all the little latches. Okay. Once you get that, you can see there's the battery here. The battery's held in with 3 screws here on along the top. Alright, you can remove those, and then the battery will just come up. Then you can see there's 1 stick of RAM here. It has an extra slot. If you want to have dual channel memory, you can add another one. This one specifically, let's see here, in case you want to buy this, it's a Samsung 4 gigs. Yep, there you go. DDR4 RAM. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, the hard drive connector is a separate piece. To remove the hard drive, after you get all the screws up, it looks like there's nothing holding it in place. Actually, there might be. Okay, it's just the plastic little thing that was holding it. So just lift that up and then kind of wiggle it sideways to remove it. If you're going to replace the hard drive, make sure to swap this bracket over. Okay, then you can upgrade it to an SSD if you want, or another hard drive. Then you can see this USB port's also replaceable. Alright, the fan has the 1 screw holding it in place right here. Looks like that's the only screw holding it. It's kind of loose, so yeah. Then you got the wireless antenna, speaker here, another speaker here. You got the removable DC jack right here. The cable runs around underneath the hinge, so you're gonna have to actually remove that to replace the hinge. Remove that screw, and then you can open the laptop slightly, then push it back down, and the hinge will be propped up. Okay, and then the board, you got these screws. Got some more connectors for the keyboard, and then, oh, that's for the SD card, hard drive. Then you got the smaller connectors here for like the trackpad and things like that are under here. But that's pretty much it. I don't think on the other side you'll be able to really do anything. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, thanks. Bye.